Hey neighbors, so it's Ebony Cherie back with another video for you. Today we're making flank steak. Actually my first time making it. What I did prior was actually put it in the oven for about 220, you know, to get it kind of really keeping the moisture and not, there's a science behind cooking this thing. So I did that first. I'm just putting the butter on top. I season it first with some rub. Um, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And now I'm putting some butter on it. So this is my flank steak here. I put a little oil in the pan too. Now I'm actually going to add my vegetables to it, which is this onions and bell peppers. There. Sorry, I have a weird angle where I turn to cook. I like to have my steak is probably almost done. There. Turn it over now. I like to add seasoning to the veggies. So this is taco season. I'm actually going to make some steak tacos. This is plain steak. So taco seasoning. Yeah. I'm going to put some onion and garlic powder also in there. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, back with part 2 of the video. Steak is resting. As you can see, its juices are coming in. I usually am not a rare or medium rare steak eater, but today we are going to be doing that a little bit. And then we go back to our veggies. I'm just wrapping these up. I added some Mrs. Dash, which is salt-free seasoning, some lemon pepper, which the lemon pepper that I like from Mrs. Dash doesn't have sugar in it. I'm just wrapping these up, but I cooked it also in the same plate as a steak, so I just keep it basic. I don't add all that extra stuff sometimes. Sometimes simple is all right too. So with the same pan, I'm going to oil it a little bit more. And Mama Maria, when I went to Waco yesterday, she actually told me about getting these. And I was like, which tortilla should I get? It was this lady, this cute Hispanic lady I met. She was there with her husband at the Waco store. So she was like, get these. Or she recommended 2 other ones. But I was like, let me get these. So they're actually the corn and flour blend. And honey, when I tell you I had them last night, let me pull this off for a minute so it don't burn. They were hidden. Excuse my mess. I usually clean as I go. But they're really good. Sorry, give me just a second. So yeah, I actually had tofu yesterday. So I made like little tofu bites or what have you. So this actually is my first time cooking flank steak, and I don't think I'm doing too bad. I ain't gonna lie, I watched a little video on how to do it, and the ladies that were cooking, I think it was America's Test Kitchen or something like that, they told the people to put it on 220 in the oven first, so that's what I did, just so that I could keep it remain juicy, that the binding or brinding, whatever this is, not gonna happen. I don't know. I'm not a meat connoisseur, I'm more like a pescatarian. Every now and again I'll have beef. I just believe that regardless of how you like to cook your Hispanic or Mexican authentic food, there is no better food when it comes to Mexican food than cooking it with beef. I don't care. Don't at me. You gotta cook your nachos with steak or ground beef. It's the flavor is there, everything. I mean, I've done the turkey meat. I've done it all. I switched over to turkey back in the day. Sorry, I'm about to turn this over. I'm just chatting. I'll give it a little bit more time. But, like, it's just nothing like eating burrito tacos with shredded beef, barbacoa. I mean, it's just nothing like it. I don't understand how people could even just the chicken be dry and not shredded right. I don't know. I guess when you cook it right, it would be good. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of chicken like that, even though every now and then. You know, Chick-fil-A has my heart, but I go there for the waffle fries mostly. All right, I'm putting a little taco seasoning on this tortilla. These are really good though. They're by Don Pancho. I don't even buy Mission anymore. Mission actually is one of those manufacturers that are actually here in the state of Washington where I reside. But I don't know. It's just been something about them lately I haven't liked it. So I buy these ones or the Guerrero ones. I hope I said that right. But anyway, you can also give me your suggestion of what you like too, and all the things. So as my steak is continuing to rest, I'm going to, it's probably ready to be chopped up now. Cut it against the grain, and I'll come back and then we're going to put together this taco, which I actually don't have any cheese for. I know, what's a taco without cheese? But I'm trying to cut back on dairy, so there's a reason for that. BRB. All right, that's the steak. I think I did pretty all right. Put a thumbs up if I did all right. Cut it against the grain. You know, it's a little medium rare for me, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put it on top of my tortilla, which I added some everything bagel Greek yogurt to, which is my alternative to sour cream. I tried a little piece of it. It's actually well seasoned too. I did pretty good for my first flank steak cookie option. Okay, sorry. Those are extra little bell peppers and stuff that I had. So I'm going to add this. I'm working on my second tortilla because we're doing 2 tacos. I haven't eaten today, so it's actually 2 o'clock. Usually I eat breakfast, but I had to go to get some blood work done today, darling. So they encourage you to fast. But now that fast is over, I guess it's about to eat. Me and my little pup. So I gotta cook for my pup. So this is my my lunch. And then to top this off, remember we're not using any cheese. We're gonna use some, oops, bad angle, paprika sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces from Trader Joe's. It's amazing. You have to try it. It's nice, sweet, tang, spice. So we're gonna put this on top, and I'm gonna dig in. So I hope you enjoyed my rice to flank steak tacos, and I'm gonna devour the 2 of these, and I'll be back in the next video. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday, and that's pretty much all I have to say. All right, bye guys.